like, oh my god. Wow, what's so funny? I'm remembering something. What is this commercial video? Like, I don't know what you call those commercials of ringtones. Like, it was made by a company. Wait, I don't get it. Keep telling me. Is it like General Mills? No, those are for cereals. I'm talking about ringtones. It was this little elephant. It was this little elephant. I looked like a mammoth. Okay, let me show you. Wait, I think I know what you're talking about. Oh, here it is. Okay, playing in 3, 2, 1. What is this? Wait, I think I remember this from when I was like 6 years old. You are 6 years old. I know. What do you mean? Bro, you laugh like a clown, loser. You did not. You did not just call out baby elephant loser. Are you seriously kidding me about this? Yes, I am. God help me. Wait, want to see another one? What do you mean? Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber? Why would you watch Justin Bieber? It's Beyonce. It's Beyonce's boyfriend. Let me show you. Beyonce has a boyfriend. Here it is. Yummy, yummy. No! What's wrong with this? That's not Justin Bieber's brother. Ew, his butt. Bro, he's like, oh, bro, that was an evil laugh. I'm gonna have nightmares with this. What do you mean? Remember the last time I found on the computer? That was a different beaver. It was not. That doesn't even look like a beaver. But it is a beaver. It is not a beaver. I have something way better than those two. By better, you definitely mean worse. What in the world is this? Isn't he cute? He's not cute! Ugh. Ugh. You fainted of cuteness overload. Wait, so they sell video games? I didn't know that. Oh, wait, I didn't know we were recording. Well, thanks for watching this video and bye-bye. Well, since we didn't do this at the beginning, hi guys, welcome to this video. What's the use? Okay, bye-bye. Wow! Get Bluey on your phone.